been a long time coming.
Joe, Cobra Beats.
Westwood.
Teddy Skills. Drop the beat.
We did it before. We here again. 10 years down the lane. Trust me. Type as I want it. Hold up. Just post that beef for a second. Any rapper I did work with them make a fool, I'm a legend. Wicked, creepy, sneaky like a serpent. Time man, I'm married and banning out our leggings. Head on was 1 or 2 lines, I jump for mental. My ido manga, I will ear balls. Boss, power, law, sexy better who a rapper, gumo back, beat is salty. Careful the drums you hit and I made it. Korean rapper guys and Keba feel it steady. Claiming rap can't set a bank account rated. I'm on the mic with hand man la rap and I don't fake it. They don't do this on the regular. Jump on track for the peppers. But yeah, and mania papa na matela ramedu rakabana ya ICP. My face I circle and no peppers. Power to the mic, banja scattered. Feeling like an Eminem. I need a pen and a mic to bury them. No pickaxe, no shovel, but I'm digging 6 feet down. All of my real homies can jump them.
But who to one and the parade? I so like to promote it. Upper West music. Your boys and a yella in beating a key confused. Goddamn. Big ups to Echo Sounds Multimedia. Yena pili Upper West music, no be today. Mpo like a Upper West artist hit worldwide. I did Grammy Awards. Chano Bay, no Bay Demini. Yeah, linka to Kumbanga, Jale. Chadomana na to wenka to prove it wrong. Yakara was silly. Koyalaka talent, Upper West, on quality. Chabon done to Jogo. Yabaha Jogo Niki Chaka the Buliba. Bunasanga would if you para. The envy, the bragging is killing us. Kamala boss, Mala Jack is failing us. To make it to mine, Pampana Katijabu, Kamawa hit it, Bankina hit it. I'm speaking the words of wisdom. I was gifted, nobody say I know much. You looking at my face like a small boy. Charlie, my brain is bigger than the ocean. I be small boy with a bigger god. Didn't Kubang understand the key number look sharp. I'm spitting the bars with senses. Bring your book along for more lessons. I'm teaching the boys like a ABC. If they no one listening, I get the remedy. Battle what to buy and this be the genesis. Tinapin and shut up and in the parade. We be the military.
That gotta win when you step in at the yard. They for tell her. The Moaza bank up the one they forget. Come and buy quarter kings. Who the hell you the follow? No time for the jokes in the punch. Yellow. That gotta be a wallaba. Daughter from me like what I don't pay. We got everything that they got, but we never wanna brag. Bella what you're at, daughter chele. Upper West to the world, yeah we up to something. But me bark at the bound, but they can't define it. Kill it with the kill, then they gotta be grinding. Yellow we be peace, so we never defy them. Alright.
Cobra, give me the mic, then you put on the beat. I wanna drop some 2 lines. Killer on the beat when I step on. The jab and ya below mama queer vibes. Woo! The other rappers be students. You want test, check out queer time. This is a promise. Upper West, na day best for 2 times. I carry me a change chapiera. While you wanna be like a walla basuna baga. In here, can know that way and a pillow double send a check out what's here. Me, I was sent from above. You know what I'm capable when it comes to rap. Back here. Setting the path for the young one, so we never gonna stop. Yeah, taking you back to back, it's all about rap. Kill like sack, niggas, I be you bap. Kinawa hammer, don't pretend to laugh. Come a force, you can't get a rapper like Sam. Yeah, back in the days, in the man rap, now we got the key. Rapping on top of rap is gonna be hard, but trust me, we never gonna stop. Yeah, tell all the niggas to be tit for tat cause. Pulling me down, it's gonna be hard cause. Boy from the ghetto, me, I know my kind. If I tell Masaki, Bapar 9, I want some checker. I nabble, I
Joe, I've been a problem since I stepped in. That gotta be a new question, so they locked me in a dungeon. Natural back here, they kept me down with any house who I break free. I say this again. Message 3 rappers to my soul, my bap. When you start to shit to me, this bound to be separate. Anti-dirty ass nigga sitting your ass on an industry. Fucking incredible like my son in my bag. I chop my own city. This is Nando Bahamas, Wagwan. Minaka, Suba, Mebada. Who better about to take the pressure for the South man. Now man, we talking about life. Real or fake man, what is my vibes? Stand be the name and you know I'm standing. Whoa, hell of a kind, one of a kind. Feeling the vibe, follow the rhyme. Give me the game, I was hot kick. Seize the game and made it my own life pancake. I got trash issues, now my heart kick. Feel like I'm losing my mind, like I got a lick tip. Damn, shout out to the dread rappers. I mean the game starters, I mean the dawn that is. Fuck all motherfuckers, yeah, all top chatters. I'm glad to tell you that the rapper left behind is now in good hands. Hell can stand up. My younger ones down on the beat, yeah.
Whoa. Tag your favorite rapper after listening to my flow. He go switch and turn back to singer. I'm a multi-talented rapper and singer. At the same time, I'm a dancer. Good drip aside, I got see in me. When I dey sing, it be money matter, believe in me. Look in my eyes, you go see say the boy get dream. That be vision, no time for the enemy. Excellent in this game, I'm the president. I address issues like nobody business. The just artist, me I know they fuck up. If you know if you count 1 billion, fuck up. I dey control the youth like Jacob. Man them hot, or your issue no if you cool up. Secret killer in this game, I'm a dealer, no be seller. You feel call me Pablo or Walla Johnson. I no be singer, I be Gina from Ghana, no be China, I be rapper, no be singer. So tell them, fuck these niggas, they can control my hit. I'm a rapper with swag, so they cannot compete. I do dream about money every day on repeat. So tell your nightmare before I can sleep. I show them say I get the best VIP. What's new in town, Mr. CID? Cause I'm ready for someone to fuck out me. Then I go show them say demon day me. The parade, we in the parade. Sophisticate, I'm about to elevate. With the jubilate, pass with the calculate. You underrate, just I go relegate. When they say I be winner, so I go nominate. The young boys for men, I go separate. I no go hesitate, never let me penetrate. See how I dominate. Upper West got talent, I be the overlord. Stana medra, ya awa party and kasana jato wape. Mbabora balambabora intruder. Badan and some boy, yet tamale, yajona yirija, yet to conquer rap. I wanna conquer. Using him berry and a land rule, so yes, and maintain the peace. Yet a jaw, fight no longer. Mistake me infinity, get behind my back, send all my enemies back to the sender. I'm the lord of the town, lord of rap, boss of the crown. No be kidding, now we kidding in again. We stand up on the body, now we jumping at the 10. Rapping for the West Star, forgetting the pain. Fuck up with the West Star, Tasha Mute. I got born out in the game. I got a matter my lane. We rain with the rain, you can call me Lil Wayne. Till I pass out.
Yeah, if be only God knows, you know they wear max. If you be Chris, then it be mask. Say you for go mask. Master of rap, mama me fans. Rappers are nas, rapper bona ban wa shaky ma. Kona wanwa okay shikena, shon the fakina. I be wahala pandemic, nigga be COVID the corona. Give me the chance, make a blow. You fancy the dough, Ndana and Suma can do. I show you my talent, you give me your money. Believe me, name girl that Sagi can do. Rappers are feeling so sentimental, accidental. Nigga feel so monkey mental, instrumental. Nigga feel my style. Hey, take a note, come copy my style.
I came a long way, 2015 up to this day. Mbumba Mara, I get high flame. Speedy Galicho, I'm always on the highway. Overtaking all the weak rappers. For the game, I'm bored of stepping in my lane. You know, season on my irate. What is Shiba? I not get time for your child play. Jenny and getting in Paribé. The whole Ghana, my boy, I can raise the fan base. Vision not be same, keep the distance. Make you never come close with your weak plans. I only shake hands with a few ones. I'm more a computer for what's on the warm up. Kebatama lock, he kill a jail, like he rapper a jonda. Rapping dead in near Pacha gang umbulla. I know the competition who got to the gangster. Messing with me in the messing with monster. Waiting near what you go, no be down a pulla. Lyrically, nobody go feel fantastic. Kawabora, you have to check my first step. For this game, it be me where they count first. So I know they hear introduction to strangers. Struggling in between the rap defenders.
Yeah, so many niggas got me talking on that bullshit. You know what is too funny, it's the same old trick. For all this while you be moving with the boss chick. You been kissing silly mama with some lipstick. Niggas wanna pull up on my judgment, but only God knows my resentment. I guess you never had a problem with my content, but I got you letting up be dealing with my conscience. With credibility, I had it in my community. Looking for opportunity, pull up on a facility. Fighting your disability, got the responsibility. I'm afraid of fertility, spoil a lot of virginity. Then I pull up on my mind. So many rappers that I make it part-time. Y'all niggas have a sipping palm wine. I know how to do it, but you really hitting on my grind. Take a step, then I climb. I really show my gratitude. I'm on air, so I never wanna break a parachute. From the pretense, I already got your attitude. No time for body shoes. My words are sense, never put them on common use.
Maliki size lace. This is real rap. Kia Kiba when my brother check a nigga up. Tabara Paga, so I run you my me that. I'm the best that ever did, a fact, no cap. You already know I'm the kind of guy that pull up wherever you at. I'm overdosed with stars like I to the banks. I get the keys to this game like really best. I'm the be sacked but I pull up in the boulevard. You can't test me, I'm like Slim Shady. My brand so solid like Mercedes. So I'm between my to the red lady. But I can't blame you, man, and so I lazy. You're not my chick, but suck my dick. I guess you dig that I'm the hit that you be searching for your whole life. Wherever there is darkness, I give them more light. And I'm the definition of a king, no lie. I'm the one that make you wanna commit suicide. When they pull up in jeans, I pull it shooter. Tell them I compare never please, put the joke aside. I'm here to run this, I don't need a cosign. You feeling me now, you're ready to know how I'm running the show. You don't need to know that.